Ireland, the Emerald Isle, a land of rolling green hills, dramatic coastlines, and a history as rich and enchanting as the legends whispered by the wind. Ancient Celtic myths and folklore are woven into the very fabric of this magical country, and standing proudly amidst this enchanting landscape are the remnants of a time when kings and queens ruled, and castles stood as silent sentinels against the passage of time. From the rugged coast of County Clare to the rolling hills of County Kerry, Ireland is dotted with these majestic fortresses, each with a story to tell. These castles are not just stone and mortar, they are living testaments to Ireland's tumultuous past, whispering tales of battles fought, love stories lived, and ancient mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Join us on a journey to discover the mystic castles of Ireland, an adventure that will transport you through centuries of history and leave you breathless with the sheer beauty and wonder of this remarkable island. We'll soar above the Emerald Isle, capturing stunning aerial perspectives that reveal the true magic of these ancient structures and the breathtaking landscapes that surround them. Imagine standing within the weathered walls of Kilkenny Castle, its imposing structure reflected in the still waters of the River Nore. Built in the 12th century, this castle witnessed centuries of history, from the Norman invasion to the Irish struggle for independence. Journey further back in time at the Rock of Cashel, a collection of medieval buildings perched dramatically on a limestone outcrop. This was once the seat of the Kings of Munster, and legend has it that St. Patrick himself visited this site in the 5th century. Another must-see is Bunratty Castle, a 15th century tower house beautifully restored to its medieval splendor. Here you can step back in time and experience what life was like within the castle walls, from the grand banqueting hall to the atmospheric dungeons. Each castle holds within its stones echoes of the past, whispering tales of bravery, betrayal, and the enduring spirit of the Irish people. And what better way to experience the true magic of these historical treasures than from the air, where a unique perspective reveals their grandeur and the strategic brilliance of their construction. While exploring these castles on foot offers a sense of their scale and grandeur, a drone allows us to truly appreciate their strategic locations and architectural ingenuity. Soar above the ramparts of Cahir Castle, its impressive defensive walls forming a formidable barrier against any attacker. Fly over Trim Castle, Ireland's largest Anglo-Norman castle, and marvel at its sprawling layout and intricate design. From this vantage point, you can trace the path of history, imagining the lives of the people who lived and worked within its walls. Drones also offer a unique perspective on the relationship between these castles and their surrounding landscapes. See how Dunluce Castle, perched precariously on a cliff edge, seems to defy the crashing waves of the Atlantic. Witness the beauty of Ashford Castle, nestled on the shores of Loch Corrib, its reflection shimmering in the lake's tranquil waters. These aerial perspectives transform our understanding of these castles, revealing their beauty and majesty in a whole new light. But our drone journey through Irish history doesn't end at the castle walls. Ireland's landscape is a tapestry of vibrant green fields, rugged mountains, and sparkling lakes, dotted with ancient ruins and steeped in folklore. Soar above the Ring of Kerry, a scenic route that winds its way through some of Ireland's most breathtaking coastal scenery, and witness the beauty of the Dingle Peninsula, a land of rolling hills and charming villages. Fly over the cliffs of Moher, towering over 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, and feel the exhilaration of experiencing this natural wonder from a bird's-eye view. Legend has it that these cliffs are the edge of the world, where the spirits of the ancient Celts dance on the wind. And as you explore these landscapes from above, remember the stories and legends that are woven into the very fabric of this mystical land. Listen to the wind whispering tales of giants and fairies, of ancient battles and heroic deeds, and let your imagination take flight. Our drone journey through the mystic castles of Ireland has only scratched the surface of what this enchanting island has to offer. From the rugged beauty of its coastline to the rolling green hills of its interior, Ireland is a land that begs to be explored. So why not answer the call of adventure? Discover the magic of Ireland's castles for yourself. Walk in the footsteps of kings and queens. Feel the weight of history upon these ancient stones. And as you soar above these ancient wonders, let the drone's eye view ignite your imagination and inspire you to uncover the secrets and stories that lie hidden within the heart of the Emerald Isle. Ireland awaits. Your adventure begins now.